Today I'm going to show you how to take the outside mirror for your 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic Coupe. Now this is going to be for the 8th generation Honda Civic Coupe. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to take this inside cover. What you're going to do is you're going to pull it towards you. So grab near the top piece here and then just pull it until it pops out and just pull it out. Then you're going to need you're going to take out 3 nuts here. It's going to be 1, 2, and this hidden one behind here. To get that cover off, you can just reach back here, pull out the weather stripping, and just pull it out. So as you can see here, that's the nut. So before taking those nuts off, you're going to take out this connector here. There's a little black tab right here. Press on it and then pull it out. And then move it to the side, and then now what we're going to do is just take these 3 nuts here out. Okay, that's it. So you just want to be careful when you're taking this nut on the bottom off, because if it slips, it's going to go into the door. So just be a little extra careful. Now to take out the mirror, those 3 nuts are the only thing that's holding it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze these white tabs here and pull the mirror out. So while you're squeezing it, now it's kind of hard, so if you want, you can try use a pair of pliers or something where you can squeeze these tabs. So these are the 2 tabs that you have to press while pulling the mirror out. It does take a little bit of time for it to come out, but once it comes out, you're pretty much, now the mirror's out, and if you need to replace something, there you go. Put the mirrors back, we're just going to insert this white piece here. You might have to press the tabs on each side for it to go into that hole right there. So here's the nuts going back. Again, be careful with this lower piece, because if it falls down the door, right, you might have a little trouble trying to get it back. So you're going to screw all that, just tighten everything back. So of course, don't forget to put the cover back onto this piece over here. It protects it from water. There we go. And now we'll just plug the harness back in until it snaps. Okay. And then what we're going to do here is we'll put the cover back on. So now this is the cover. If you notice here, see this piece right here, there's a little notch there. So you're going to be going, that little notch is going to go in that rectangle piece right there. I'm going to go into the rectangle spot there. So you can kind of push down a little bit while you're pushing in, and there you go. And the mirror's back into place.